ClassPad 400. This video tutorial series will help you understand the functions of the ClassPad 400. This is the ClassPad 400 home screen. This is the main menu. The main menu has the main operation screen, e-activities, statistics, spreadsheets, graphs and tables, geometry, conics, differential equations, numerical solver, sequential graphing, and financial menu. To see the more options, tap and drag to see the second page, which has programs, communication, and system. Another way to navigate is to simply tap the screen. At the very bottom here, you have two options for page 1 or page 2. Simply tap with a stylus or your finger, or tap and hold and flip over. You also have some printed icons on your ClassPad home screen. Settings, Menu, Main, Resize, Swap, Rotate, and Escape. We'll be talking about these in other video series. You also have a hard keyboard, which has a soft keyboard key, a directional key, back arrow, clear, shift, equals, X, Y, and Z variables, powers, divide, multiply, and all the numeric keys, along with the execute. To get started, let's tap on the menu screen. Here's your main menu. To clear it, simply press Edit, Clear All. Clear All Variables will clear out all values stored in any one of your variables. Basic operations can be done through your menu keys, which have Edit, Cut and Paste, Select All, Delete. Actions. Actions are slightly different from interactions, and we'll see that in our next video. This is the main functions of the calculator. Since this is an intro, let's take a look at the keyboard. Keyboard is where you have all of your keys. Since you notice the keys do not have overlays over the top of them, all the keys have been stored in the soft keyboard. You can get there by pressing the keyboard key. Here you have folders which have different mathematical symbols and different mathematical operations. These are all template based, so you simply have to fill out the template once you have it on the screen. Variables, ABC, back arrow, scroll down. We also have the catalog, which is alphabetically listed, advanced, numbers, upwards. Let's see how to do some basic operations. Let's take something simple like addition. Works just like a regular calculator. Let's do some fractions. We'll use a template. You fill out the template by simply navigating through the fraction, or you can tap on the screen to go to different parts of the fraction. So if you tap on the denominator, you can fill out the denominator. Tap in the numerator will allow you to fill in the numerator. Some of the other keys that you have available are decimals to fractions, the pointer, symbolic algebra, or text, simplify, different modes, and graphs. This will allow you to split your screen, and we'll take a look at that later. Let's try something else. Tap in a clean area, square root of 27. The calculator does have a computer algebra system, which means it allows you to solve algebraic expressions. It also simplifies things like the square root of 2 over 3. We'll give it to you in a nice natural display. The templates allow you to fill out different templates for different types of mathematical operations. For example, if you wanted to take the log of base, let's take the log base 2 of the number 8, for example. Fill out the template, press execute. You can combine keys. Let's take a log, square root base, fill out the square root, fill out the rest of the template. Math 2 has more options. We'll take a look at this in a minute. Math 3. Let's go back to Math 2. Absolute values will appear like absolute values. To turn off the keyboard, simply press the keyboard key and it goes away. Let's take a look at the settings. It's currently in algebra, standard, real, and radians. To look at your settings, you can tap the settings key that's printed on the screen. Here you'll see a variable manager, view window, basic format, graph format, geometry format, advanced format, financial format, default set, main, and keyboard. Variable manager allows you to manage your variables. Another place you will see the settings key is also at the very top. Allows you to view the window for your graphs. You can set it back to the default. OK. Tap on the wheel again. Let's check out our basic format. We're currently in the main folder. Normal 1. We're in radian mode. These are pull-down menus, so you can change that to degree mode. Complex format, you can check that box. Decimal calculations. Turn on the assistant. Descending order of variables. Variables are real. Turn on outliers. We'll hit default. Set. Other options are you can also check your graph options. Default. Set. Advanced format. These are all pull-down menus, so you can change the pull-down menu based on what it is you're looking for to customize your ClassPad any way you want. Another place to make changes is if you simply tap on the different functions at the bottom. It's the different mode settings. You can change from radians to degrees to gradients, from real to complex, standard to decimal. We'll say no on the assistant. To get back to the main menu, simply tap Menu on your screen. You can also tap Main to jump to the main. Resize will allow you to resize your screen if you've split it. Swap will allow you to swap top and bottom. Rotate will allow you to rotate. So if you tap Rotate, you'll rotate the home screen. Escape gets you out of those functions. Those are just some of the basic functions of the ClassPad 400.